Hey guys, this is our first edited video. I hope you guys enjoy. It's just going to be us talking. There's a bunch of videos over there. You know, in the sidebar. Right there. Over there. It's going to be us talking. Well, I think we didn't really introduce names last time, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce mine. Mine is Veronica, and my name is Johnny. I'm a boy, by the way. Yeah. Hi. I like Frisbees and bones, mostly the white ones, and, I really like hanging out with my sister Veronica. And my name is Claire. I'm the spunkiest girl here. You'll see me later. I'm getting full grown as a pup. You'll see me full grown, I hope. If we get 10 subscribers by the end of this year, I'll be so hyped and I'll make a video face cam. Or a flash in the future. So, and I really enjoy getting clothes, dyeing my fur, getting new contacts, and other stuff like that that includes really girly stuff. And, I love getting pedicures. Just look at them. They're so perfect. Oh, right, Claire. I think we all get that, and your paws sure do look nice. So you met my sister, and you met my brother. We're the three mischievous, the three mischievous, what? No. The three most hyper puppies in the world. Oops. My camera's really shaky. Fix that here. That's better than I thought it would be. Okay, so yeah. So we're not gonna be adding any noises or songs in until we're comfortable with it, 'cause I feel like you guys should get a plain out clip by clip video, and I only have a few gigabytes left, so I have to delete, and then add, which makes it really harder because I'm using Sony Vegas, and it was like $24.99 for apps on my iPhone, and well. It takes a while, and it won't let me download any music yet because it's still in production a little bit. The one I got gets the latest version for iPhone, and I don't know how I found it. I just did Sony Vegas because I have the $100 one on my laptop, but it's not working right now. And my package is coming for eBay, and it is so cool. I got this brown and white Cocker Spaniel. It has brown ears and blue eyes with a brown splotch on his right eye. It is so cute. It's brown spots everywhere, and it's completely white with brown spots. You get the point. I can't wait for it. I'm going to throw up a video oh my god. I am so excited for it. I'm supposed to get it this week. I might cry if it's not really. I might just pout. It's down and on my butt and I didn't get my package. I'm gonna go super rage puppy on my camera. You alright? Veronica? Yeah, I'm alright. It just fell on my face from like jumping on my camera and all. Like, don't hold me up at all. Like, why am I saying like so much? I'm going to my room. Oh wait, guys. I guess me, Claire, the perfect puppy, is gonna have to say goodbye. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first edited video. Party for a lifetime of doing this. Oh my god. Like, hug the camera. Well, thanks for watching. TTYL. Love you. Oops. Heh. You didn't catch that, did you?
You got all of it, ma'am.
Well, edit it out, you big jerk.
Sorry, ma'am. This is live on Broadcast Network. You're gonna have to wait it out.
Oh, what a complete jerk.
What'd I do?